In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track income in Freshbooks. This essential skill will help you manage your finances effectively, whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or someone looking to streamline their bookkeeping process. Tracking income accurately ensures that you have a clear picture of your financial health, so let's dive into the details. First, let's talk about tracking other non-invoiced income in Freshbooks. Begin by logging into your Freshbooks account through the website. Once you've successfully logged in, look for the Payments option in the left-hand menu. Click on it, and you'll see an option labeled Other Income. Select this tab. It's on this page where you can witness a comprehensive list of all the income entries you've manually added. This feature is particularly useful for income that's not captured through invoices, such as direct deposits or other unique revenue streams. Additionally, Freshbooks provides a quick overview via its dashboard, located in your main account interface. This dashboard displays a breakdown of your other income, offering a convenient snapshot of your revenue streams without having to navigate through multiple pages. This functionality not only helps in daily tracking, but also plays a vital role during audits or financial reviews. Now let's move on to a slightly different method, and that is tracking income using reports. For this, you need to head over to the Reports section, once again accessible from the left-hand menu. Here, you will find various reporting options, but for a precise view of your earnings, select the Profit and Loss report. This particular report will provide you with a summary of your total income and expenses over any specific period you choose. By inputting different date ranges, you can analyze your profitability across various timeframes, giving a holistic view of your business's financial standing. This report is invaluable for understanding how your income stacks up against your expenses, allowing you to make informed decisions about future business strategies and financial planning. It can highlight trends in your revenue streams too, all of which assist in forecasting future income and budgeting effectively. By combining both methods of tracking, through other income entries and the detailed reports section, you can oversee your financials with greater precision and confidence. Each feature within Freshbooks complements the other, providing a thorough picture of your financial history and current status. With these tools at your disposal, managing your finances becomes seamless and stress-free. Remember, consistent tracking and regular reviews are key to maintaining healthy finances, and Freshbooks is designed to make this process as easy as possible. So, take some time to explore these features in greater depth and tailor them to your specific financial tracking needs. Tracking your income effectively today lays the groundwork for a prosperous tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to achieving financial clarity.